Okay, guys, so this is Coach Karina. I would like to welcome you in our 8 p.m. Zoom meeting Taglish presentation. So I am now on the screen. Okay, so I'm now on the screen, and as you can see, we already have an office. Our head office is located at Tectite, Ortigas, Pasig, Philippines. Okay, as you can see there's our board of directors in the pictures. Yung magpa set ng appointment pag gusto niyo pong magpunta diyan and para po ma-accommodate natin kayo. Okay? So what is AYOS-SAYO? AYOS-SAYO is a digital educational ecosystem focused on blockchain and financial literacy. So we have educational platform, we have technology ecosystem, we have community driven network, we have educational and participation model, we have incentive layer, we have ecosystem vision. So this is what AYOS-SAYO is all about. Okay, so when it comes to mission, to become a global digital financial infrastructure, powering the new generation of decentralized economies where individual can learn and earn and transact, grow a borderless financial system. Okay, so the mission of AYOS to build an integrated Web3 ecosystem combining financial education and AI powered productivity tools. Okay, so this is our mission and vision. Now, the fourth slide that we're showing is our AYOS institutional framework. So we have the core organizational structure composed of community builder. So meron tayong mga community builders, meron tayo yon. Ito yung nire-represent natin, community builders. We have system developers, and then we have legal and compliance team, and we have the in-house trading division. This is the four core organizational structure of AYOS. And we have AYOS Revenue Backup Digital Asset Ecosystem. AYOS is a multi-revenue Web3 that builds educational layer, income layer, payment layer, and exchange layer. Okay, so the problem, fragmented access to digital finance. So limited access to structured financial education. Okay, fragmented online earning ecosystem, lack of sustainability incentive model, and many digital asset lack real-world utilities projects. So yeah. Next, we have here the AYOS solution and integrated digital economy. So we have AYOS combines financial education, AI-powered tools, digital payment, gaming infrastructure. So what else is next? We have AYOS platform. So now you can download to AYOS Hub already. Using your iPhone, it is available in iOS, App Store, available in Android, in Google Play Store, and in Huawei App Gallery. So, pwede nyo na po siyang makita sa inyo na makaka-access na rin po kayo sa dashboard. Okay, so what else is our AYOS technology? Okay, AYOS ecosystem, we have 8 strategic revenue stream. 8. Number 1 is AI tool subscription. 8 is up to the 20th generation. So this is what we are introducing sa mga first timer ngayon. So magsa-subscribe ka lang. So magbabayad ka lang ng 1650. 1,000 pesos lang yan. Pero after the 120 days, every month, $10 na lang siya ng $10. So this is the AYOS subscription, 120 subscription. Ano naman ang makukuha mo dito? Meron ka syempreng system dashboard application. Okay, so yun. Pwede mo na siyang i-download sa iOS, Huawei, and Android. We have AI automation. Okay, so before the end of April, makikita nyo na po ang AI automation natin. Okay, AI tools education, and we have modules education, all about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and decentralized finance. We also have redundant network participation rebate. if you are on your AOS subscription. So kapag marami po kayong napapa-enroll kahit sa subscription pa lang, meron din po kayong kikitain sa redundant network participation natin from first level up to the 20th level. Number 2, okay, so this is the redundant unilevel rebates. If you have a first direct, you will unlock the level 1 to 5 depth. Okay, so kikita ka from your first to fifth level ng mga leaders na nasa first level mo kasi may 1 direct ka lang. Pag naka 2 directs ka na, ma-unlock mo na yung 1 to 8. Sa 3 directs, 1 to 11. And then 4 directs hanggang 13. So sa 5th direct mo hanggang 15, 6 directs 17, 7 directs 19, 8 directs is 20. Okay, AOS 2 direct duplication base amount is $15. Percentage of level is 3%. Earning per level is 0.45. The levels is 1 to 20. Okay, so 3% from the $15 every time na nagsasubscribe kayo, ayan yung napupunta sa unilevel natin. So, yung ating 20th level dip, AI tool monthly residual unilevel up to 20th generation. Yes. Okay, so after na lang po ng 30 days, every month, $10 na lang tayo ng $10 yung sa subscription natin. Okay, residual unit level rebates. Next, performance-based participation incentive on your 20th level. Okay, so binigyan pa tayo ng company for your growth and rewards, endless possibilities. So pag nakaka-reach ka na sa 20th level mo, meron kang 1,000 members. Okay, bibigyan tayo ng company ng Huawei MatePad Pro para meron kang magamit sa iyong mga presentation. Okay, so pwede nating magawa yung 1,000 in a span of 5 months. Yung iba syempre marami ng mga tao so pwedeng mas maaga, yung iba naman pwede nating ma-achieve before 400 days. Okay, next, what we have here, the reward that drives your future. You can have your Toyota Fortuner, okay, on the 20th level na if you have 60,000 members on your 20th level, fully paid po yung ating sasakyan na pwedeng yan, ang pwede mong makuha, dream house. So itong mga achievements na 'to sa malalaking, numbers na ng leaders sa 20th level mo, 750,000 yan ang pwede mong makuha. Okay, so pwede natin yan ma-achieve na network natin. We have monthly educational participation rebate of 10%. So every ng meron pa tayong community building, 5% rewards for your direct referral naman. So let's say naka-close ka ng Genesis which is 1,500, meron kang $75 rebates. Paano kung 10, may $150 ka na pwedeng ma-withdraw in a week. One time lang po yan. So, one time yung 5% rewards. Okay, so leadership development participation. Okay, rebates din ulit to. So, napakaraming rebates. Sabi ko nga kanina, 8 income stream ang pwede nyo pong ma-enjoy once po na nagbi-build na kayo ng network sa amin. Meanwhile, sa leadership bonus para sa mga first-timers, so kailangan nyo lang po ng group participation volume and referral lines. Direct lines, pwede mo na itong kitain. So, from 5th level up to 45%. Sa first level mo, $200. Group sales, buong grupo mo, pag nakapasok ng $200, yan ang pwede mong kitain. 5% on, let's say, sa ilalim mo, meron kang naka-Genesis, meron siyang kinikita na $5, diba, every day. So, meron kang 5% doon sa $5 niya. Ganon siya kaganda. Okay, so, and then, what else do you need to know here? So, sa second level, pag naka-500 na kayo, of course, may 10% ka. Okay, so sa third level, 2,000 sales volume, meron kang 15%. Okay, so sa mga first-timers, hindi na natin to masyadong i-elaborate kasi importante po, step by step makuha natin. And anyway, ito po ang ating screen. Makikita nyo naman po dyan at pwede nating aral-aralan yan. Okay, so hanggang 7th level, may 45% ka dito. Gaming participation rebates up to 20th generation. Okay, so So, kung marami na tayo sa ilalim natin, I'm sure marami ring maglalaro sa ating mga gaming. Okay, so every time na nag-withdraw kami, 10% gaming voucher. So yun po ang ipang-play natin. The platform profit will be allocated to the AOS Liquidity Fund. Okay, so yan po ang makakadagdag sa AOS value. Okay, so yung ating sa gaming revenue liquidity model. Okay, next, lottery draw mechanics. We have here every 8 hours, 7 days a week, 6-digit combination. Okay, this is fully automated. The winning prize is $500,000. Ang ticket ay $1 lang. So, pwede kang tumaya. Pagtaya mo, let's say ikaw ang naging panalo ng 500,000 winning prize. So, ganyan kaganda ang ating mga gaming. We also have 2 digits raffle draw. That is happening every 10 minutes. Okay, choose 2-digit combination, fully automated also. Winning price is $1,000 lang naman. Bakit? Ang ticket, $0.50 lang. Okay, so pwede kayong tumaya, 3 ticket, bili ka, or 5 ticket. Who knows, manalo ka. So, yan ang ating 2-digit raffle. And we also have AOS Liquidity Engine. Okay, so sa ating mga lottery, 2 digits, and lahat ng pwedeng income natin, of course, nagkakaroon ng revenue ang company. Hindi lang po, puro sa community, of course, meron ding revenue si company once our AOS gaming is up and live already. Okay, wallet transaction participation rebate up to 20th generation also. So every time there is a transaction on your wallet, guys, or remember, meron pumapasok din sa atin na income or rebates every time na ginagamit po ang ating AOS wallet. So intayin na lang po natin yan because sabi ni Sir Chris before, mga May 30 or end of May. So, pwede ring mas maaga. So, let's just wait for our AOS wallet to become live also. Our AOS Pay, so our QR code is ready. Pwede na po yung magamit. Pero, syempre, iintayin natin yung AOS wallet natin para maging live na rin po yung AOS Scan to Pay natin. Ito po yung mga future na infrastructure natin na iniintay dito. So, meron tayong commerce ecosystem, real-world merchant. So, pwede kung marami kang kilalang retail store, pwedeng gamitin si AOS, restaurant, online merchants, and service providers. Yan po ang mga pwedeng paggamitan ng AOS token. Okay, so again, ito po yung mga future na pwede pong mangyari sa AOS very soon, this 2026. Product-based unilevel earnings. Sa mga knowledge contract, mag-start tayo sa pinakamababa, which is Edge package. Syempre, matututo ka rin sa ating blockchain and DeFi modules, okay, dun sa ating digital academy. 31.50 ang inyong babayaran lang. So, meron kang 300 AOS token. Ang AOS token value is 0.10. So, paano i-divide yan? $30. Do not divide it at 31.50. Si 150 is our gas fee na lumalabas po dyan. So, $30 lang yan. Meron siyang monthly na rebates sa $30. Yan, mga $3 every month. Okay? So, ano naman gagawin nyo sa $3 every month? Ipunin mo ng 2 months, magiging $6. I-compound mo na lang siya para madagdagan yung AOS token mo. So, next we have flow. So, 76.50. Meron ka syempreng 750 AOS token dyan. Okay, so next, what we have here is Matrix, 151.50. Ang AOS token mo is 1,500. Lahat yan, meron kang 10%. So, sa Matrix, meron kang mga $15 every month. Pwede na. Tapos, pwede mong i-compound. Makakakuha ka pa ng AOS token. So, Prime, we have 301.50. Meron tayong 3,000 AOS token. And then, Apex, we have 751.50. Meron kang 7,500 AOS token. Dito naman, may $75 a month ka. So, malaki-laki na rin yan. So, mas maganda kung meron ka pa dyang extra na hindi naman kumikita sa wallet mo. So, lagay mo dito for next 13 months or tinatawag na 400 days. Genesis package, 151.50. Okay, so 0.10, meron tayong 15,000 AUS token dito. And of course, yung access natin sa digital library. Full access to the digital library. Meron pang gustong mag-enroll ng mas malaki, we have Professional Track 1, 2,000 at meron kang 20,000 AUS token. Meron tayong Professional Track 2, 5,000, 50,000 AUS token, Professional Track 3, 10,000, 100,000 AUS token. So, ito po ang professional trading track. Now, we have here AUS 2 direct duplication computation, which is you will see in level 1, if you have 2 members na na-invite nyo, so ang earnings mo is 0.25. So, we have here 0.50. Okay, so kung dalawa yung nag-join, and to the 10th level, so pwede kang kumita ng $256. Okay, so sa 10th level lang yan, paano kung nakaabot ka na ng 20th level? Okay, so pwede kang magkaroon ng 1 million na mga members dito. So, sa halagang mga maliliit lang na 0.25, 25, 25 per members per level, pwede ka pa rin kumita in 30 days ng $524,000. Okay, ito po yung ating power of 2 direct duplication. Okay, so token overview, we have AUS token, we have 1 billion supply only, coin tokenomics. Okay, so this is our AUS coin supply, treasury reserve, 25%, community incentive, 20%, ecosystem, 15%, strategic investor, 10%, team and founder, 10%, liquidity, 10%, community growth, 5%, advisory, 5%. So, yan ang composition. Okay, so and just wait for the announcement of the BODs regarding this. Okay, so we will just wait for it. Next, can AUS become the top 10 exchange? Yes, because we have real users, we have community, we have real revenue. Okay, so we have trust plus compliance. Okay, the evolution of blockchain. So everybody knows that it all started with Bitcoin. It is a digital money, Ethereum smart contract. Then Binance is built with exchange ecosystem, Solana, high-speed blockchain, XRP, high-speed blockchain, and AUS blockchain plus DeFi education global community. Okay, so these are the prices of the top 5 digital asset. Guys, imagine si Bitcoin, 0.004 cents lang ang ground price niya. 16 years ago, imagine 10 pesos lang. Ngayon, 4.6 million pesos na siya. Ganon ka-powerful ang digital asset. Si Ethereum 2015 0.31 lang dati. So, 2021, 4,000 siya, all-time high. Okay, so this time, merong AUS. How much will be the AUS after 1 year, 400 days? So we have AUS start with 0.05. Now it's 0.10 already. Okay, so next, what else? So guys, ito na ang katotohanan. AUS price prediction. So kaya sinasabi namin sa inyo, buy and hold more AUS token. Guys, what if after 400 days si AUS token mag $1 na lang muna conservatively? And ikaw, naka-edge package ka, may 300 AUS token ka. That is $300. Ang tanong, paano kung mag $10 si AUS token? So meron kang $3,000. 180,000 pesos yan, guys. Sa flow naman, $750 and $7,500. Sa matrix, $1,500, then $15,000. Sa prime, meron kang $3,000 and of course $30,000. Sa Apex, $7,500 and yet meron kang $75,000. Again, sa Genesis, meron kang $15,000 and that is $150,000 pag nag $10 si AUS token. And of course, yung mga naka trading package natin, package 1, meron silang $20,000, $200,000 sa Number 2 is $50,000. That's $500,000. And then sa trading pack 3 natin is $100,000, and that is $1 million. Wow! Imagine guys, kaya ito na yung sinasabi namin sa inyo, mag-hold, buy, and hold more EOS token. Keep on compounding as well para madagdagan ang ating EOS token. Ganyan ka-powerful kasi si EOS token, ang only token na may complete layers of infrastructure. Kaya EOS to the moon talaga. Okay, there are 3 types of people in every revolution. Okay, the pioneers, these are the people, they take action early in the revolution. So meaning, yung mga leaders din natin dito, may mga ganyan din type ng tao. Yung mga first timers, meron din ganyang mga type ng tao. Nasasali agad, i-take nila yung opportunity agad at gagawin nila yung EOS. Okay, the others are followers. Tatanong lang yan sa nag-invite sa kanya, ano yung next ko na gagawin? So, i-guide mo ako. So, dapat ba sumali na ako ngayon dito sa Pioneers? Ginagawa nila ng paraan. Kahit minsan walang budget, pero nagagawa ng paraan. Okay, meron namang spectator, yung mag-iintay na lang ano naman ang mangyayari dun sa nag-invite sa kanya. Magiging successful ba siya or hindi? So, ganyan lang po kabilis ang ating presentation. Para po, mabilis lang pong maintindihan ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino. And of course, marami tayong kababayang Pilipino sa abroad, OFWs. You are all welcome here, and this is your home already, EOSIO Technology. This is Coach Karina saying, thank you so much sa pakikinig ninyo po. Board, I will need to log into eosioclub.io, guys. So here is my system dashboard. So how to navigate to your system dashboard? All you need to do is to go to this area, which is your go to profile. Okay, so drop down arrow on the upper part of the dashboard, upper part, you will edit profile. So here you will see your referral link. Make sure you will copy from this box. Okay, copy from this box and paste it to your notes in your mobile phone. So put there everything about EOS. Please keep your password. Do not lose your password. Next. Okay, next, what we have here, the referral code, and make sure you have an active email, guys, and please use your full name. Okay, and then paste your rebate wallet, the Binance Smart Chain wallet, BSC, wallet address, USDT BEP20, and always update your profile. Okay, next, then make sure when you are withdrawing, always check your wallet address if it is correct. Okay, so next, on the system dashboard, go here. So here you will see the members around the globe. We have 132,899, and you will see a lot of flags all over the globe that are joining every other minute, seconds. Okay, so next, what else you need to do in your system dashboard? Go to my knowledge contract. Okay, so here you will see your knowledge contract. Mine is Genesis contract, and that is 1,500. And you will see here how many days you are in EOS. 71 days. Okay, so in 71 days, here, how to compute your daily rate. Okay, daily rate of 0.50. So here it goes. So 66% of your 1,500 goes to your knowledge vault here. Okay, so the 33% goes to learning vault, the 500. So we will just compute the 0.5 in your knowledge vault. So you will have $5 every day times 30. You will have $150 every month. Okay, for the next 400 days or 13 months. Guys, that's 1,900 plus already. So a big income, and at the same time, I was able to get the EOS at 0.025. That's why I have 60,000 EOS token, plus I have 2,600 because I kept on compounding my income. Okay, so I kept on compounding my income, guys. So let's try. So here, for the transaction, you will see the knowledge credit, $5, $5, $5 every day. So you will see it from the transaction. And then for the compounding, I will teach you how to compound. So let's check. We have 62,626 here for my EOS token. And then I have knowledge vault of 1,096 and learning vault of 558. So let's see what will happen if we will compound this $26. Okay, so $26 times 66%, 17% will go to my knowledge vault. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, I want to compound 26. We will see how many EOS token will I acquire. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, so let's close, and then what will happen? Look at that. Okay, so I got 62,898 and I have another $17 added to my knowledge vault, and the sum of it goes to my learning vault. So guys, that is the power of compounding. Okay, did you know that the Satoshi Nakamoto did not even withdraw the 1.1 million of Bitcoin? He did not withdraw. So that 1.1 million Bitcoin become 125 billion. The power of compounding, guys. So let's keep on compounding. If we do not have big money, so let's make the power of compounding, get lots of EOS token. So now I will go to teach you how to go to the credit wallet. So here is the credit voucher. So this is what we're going to use in our gaming. And next, what do we need to do is to go to the rebates. Okay, so this is my claimable rebates for 1 month. Okay, so next, let's get this one. Yes, I am sure I want to transfer them to my credit wallet. 101. Okay, success. So what will gonna happen to that? Let's check on my credit wallet. Okay, so there, view pending request. Okay, so we have a pending request. So claim and withdraw, and you will get it on Saturday. So now you will get it on Saturday. Okay, so in partners, you will see the bubble chart and genealogy. So in your bubble chart, these are all paid and enrolled for knowledge contract. Okay, in the tier levels, you will see them level by level. So here I have 5. Okay, so you will see every first direct referral. So I can see here Zaida from UAE. She's on tier 3. We have here Ibrahim from Ghana in team per level. And sign-ups, these are the one who sign up for a free subscription, but they did not get any knowledge contract yet. So you can also click that and message them. It will go to your email, so you can follow them up. Okay, so for the subscription, it says here, okay, subscribe now. So after 120 days, I will just pay my $16.50. So after 120 days more, maybe that is August, right? Okay, so that is how you navigate your system dashboard. Okay, so I think that's it. And well, by the way, the gaming, so we have 64 games ready, but we are just waiting it to be live. And of course, we are waiting for our AI tool app live. So this is a powerful surcharge your workflow smart assistant. It's a generators and automation all in one place.
I will teach you how to activate your EOS account and how you will pay it on your wallet.
By the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and WhatsApp channel. With much love, Coach Karina here.
We have here my knowledge contract. Okay, subscribe, new contract. Okay, so he wants to join on Edge package. So subscribe. Okay, so we need to pay 31.50. So we just need to copy this address. Okay, we have to copy this address, copy, and then Binance wallet. Okay, so pay, send. Okay, using your USDT BEP20, you just have to paste it. Okay, so make sure that you have the right address, and then the network must be BSC BEP20, and then a little like, okay, so it can be 31.52. Okay, so this is enough, 31.51, so it will not be short. Okay, so send. I want to change it into 3. Sometimes there is a gas war that they call it. 31.52. Okay, so paying now. Okay, it is sent 31.53, and then let's go back to okay, there you are, received 31.52. Then we have to confirm. Yes, I am subscribing to Edge package. Congratulations. Okay, so you just have to make a screenshot so that you have a proof. Okay, close here, and then you will see your Edge contract activated and paid. And from my Binance, I was able to receive 31.50 history payment. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations. Activate more accounts and build your strong community with AYOS. This is Coach Karina. Thank you so much.